So let's look at one for the formation of potassium chloride. The first thing I want you to do is give me the, why is that so dark? Give me the chemical formula for potassium chloride. Figure that out and write it down. Pretty easy one. What is it, Levi? Yep, we're going to work with KCl. I picked a nice easy one. Now for this you have to show the whole reaction. So we're going to have the reactant side over to the product side. On the reactant side, I write my two reactants, K and Cl, and I have to show them with their electrons. So potassium has how many electrons in its outer shell? 1. And chlorine has 7. So I would start my equation like that. Then I know this is an ionic compound. If it's an ionic compound, it means I have a what? What happens to the electrons?
Full shell.
Full shell for both of them. How? One of them does what? One of them loses electrons, one of them gains electrons. Well, who's most likely to lose the electrons here? What? Potassium. Why? Because it only has one. So over here I would show, in brackets, potassium that has lost its electron, so it's not there anymore. So it now has a positive charge. I understand when I see this, and it's bracketed and it shows the charge, that it has fallen down to the previous energy level and it has a full outer shell. Because once I take that 1 away, I'm back to the 8 beneath it. Plus, I would show my chlorine. And what's chlorine going to do? It's going to gain an electron, so it's going to get a negative sign. And now I will show it having, it only needed 1, it got 1, I will show it having a full octet. So it shows how the electron moved from potassium to chlorine. Now they both satisfy the octet rule, this falling back to one of its inner shells, and chlorine's outer shell is now full. Try this one. Oops. Calcium bromide. Write the formula for that. I want a neutral chemical formula for calcium bromide. You got it, Danny?
No.
No? What is it, Kins? Uh-huh. Ca what? Br what? Br2. Okay.
Oh, shoot, that's what you were asking?
Yes, that's, dude, that is what I was asking. CaBr2. So let's look at how this is going to look. Calcium plus, and you can put a 2 out here because you need 2 of them, Br. How many electrons in calcium's outer shell? 2. So I'll show 1, 2. And bromine has how many? 7. So I show that. On the other side of the equation, I'm going to show my calcium with the charge it forms, plus my bromine, full outer shell, charge it forms, and I left my 2 out. I got to put a 2 in there. So I personally, I think these are easier than the other ones. There's a lot less puzzle solving. It's just figuring out the formula and writing it. Tomorrow I'll show you polyatomic ions and we'll work on some more of these. We will quiz on Friday. If you feel like you're not getting it, get in here in the morning and I'll help you. I'm done. Finish. No, you don't have anything you have to finish tonight.